First we do this multiplication. 8 over 10 times 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And 10 divided by 5 gives us 2. So here we have 8 over 2, which equals 4. So 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 8 divided by 8 over 10. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Then times 5. Now, we can easily cancel this 8 and this 8. So here we have just 1 times 10 over 1 times 5. Or we can say 10 times 5, which equals 50. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 50.